Guard. Again, she is actually narrating a narrative that it is the Philippine Coast Guard who rammed the China Coast Guard vessel. Miss Ana Malindugoy, I don't know her, but again, these are public posts. And I would also like to share to the Honorable Committee the article written by Mr. Ado Paglinawan. He also wrote about Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo, suggesting that she is being disgracefully grilled by the senators. And when it comes to the spies, he also wrote an article 2 months ago saying that it's a mistaken identity is a result of sheer incompetence. And when it comes to the issue of the West Philippine Sea, publicly posted last February 27, he said the West Philippine Sea lunacy continues as China Coast Guard simply ignores our cheers. These are the types of the issues that I would like to present to the Honorable Committee, sir, to highlight that the issue of disinformation and fake news is actually countering our own position in the West Philippine Sea. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair.
We'll now proceed to the interpellation. Ernest Dionisio, representative, is now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you to our colleagues. Commodore J. Tariela, magandang hapon po sa inyo. And thank you very much for the detailed presentation. Actually, marami po akong tatanungin sa inyo, supposedly, but it was already answered by most of the questions na tatanungin, nasagot na po ng presentation ninyo. Commodore J, alam ko yung laban nyo sa West Philippine Sea eh. I would see you in the news, yung mga fake news naman na kayo yung dinidiin pa na masama. Yung masakit kasi dito, Mr. Chair, kung sino na yung nilulusob, sino na yung inaargabyado, yung pa may kasalanan. This has to stop. So, Mr. Chair, just like to ask a few more questions kay Commodore J. Commodore J, ito bang ano bang talagang diferensya sa opinion ninyo yung pagkakaiba ng opinion sa fake news?
Mr. Chair? Well, para sa akin po, Honorable Congressman, sir, no? Ang usapin po ng West Philippine Sea should not be subjected to your own opinion. Actually, as part of the transparency initiative of the Philippine government, we have been disclosing factual reports, no? Incidents that really happened, supported by photos and videos to show the Filipino people what really transpired. So if you are a blogger or a social media influencer trying to counter such narrative, I think we should understand everybody is entitled for their own opinion, but disclose countering a factual narrative of what really transpired with regard to our own national security is really a concern.
Yes, thank you for that. Mr. Chair, kasi yung West Philippine Sea, in my humble opinion, di lang naman kasi to geographic location, it's a symbol of our sovereignty. If I remember it correctly, Commodore J, di ba, nung last hearing natin, meron pa nga na nagkiklaim na lumalabas sa mga fake news na yung Palawan pagmamayari ng China. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's very alarming, Mr. Chair, lahat ng nangyayari na to eh. So, alam ko nag-imbestiga na kayo dito, Sir Commodore J. Ano po ba mga naobserbahan nyo? You mentioned kanina mga initiators. Ano ba to? Mga Pilipino ba to? Chinese? Or we don't know for certain?
Well, right now, Mr. Chair, what we have are only public posting of social media accounts. Just like what the former Vice President mentioned, we cannot really ascertain whether these people are the ones managing those accounts dahil hindi naman talaga natin alam kung sila yon.
Mr. Chair, may nabanggit po kanina na si Ana Malindugoy.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Do we know, Mr. Chair, does this committee have any information na bisita po ba natin siya ngayon or Filipino vlogger po ba to? Or...
Sino? Si Mark Lopez?
Hindi po, si Ana Malindugoy, mentioned by Commodore Tariela earlier, Mr. Chair.
Did we invite this personality? Unfortunately, she was not included. Is that a female?
Yes, Mr.
She
Chair.
was not included in the invitation to the resource persons.
Maybe, thank you, Mr. Chair. Maybe it would be prudent since Commodore Tariela mentioned some posts that are very detrimental for our sovereignty and for the safety and security for our country, that probably this individual, be it true or not, we can try to find out through the committee and have this person invited and probably shed more light to the posts that was shared by Commodore Tariela, Mr. Chair.
Comsec, please take note, this individual will be invited for the next hearing.
Moving on, Mr. Chair, yung 2016, as mentioned by Commodore Tariela, yung arbitral award, in my humble opinion, ito napakalinaw na na pagmamayari ng bansa natin, yung kinokontest ng ibang bansa What I don't understand is, bakit kinokontra pa to? Commodore Tariela, ang gusto ko lang malaman, meron po ba tayong specific Filipinos identified who are, masasabi natin na pro-China?
Well, Mr. Chair, if we're going to base on the social media posting of what how they appreciate the 2016 Arbitral Award and how they downplay our fight in the West Philippine Sea, I would say that they are really going against our national security and that they are not pro-Philippines, Mr. Chair. However, I would also like to add that what is difficult for us on the Philippine Coast Guard is that we cannot really identify whether these people who are using such accounts are those actual people named with that social media account, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, I would like to request that all the information that has been presented by Commodore Tariela, also yung mga vloggers na hindi naman natin ma-determine kung tao ba o Pilipino ba, baka makuha natin yung mga handle nila, and maybe NBI or someone from our government can really check. Mr. Chair, this has to stop. We have to find out who these people are. Baka mga Chinese to, o kung hindi man, baka mga Pilipino na napinagkakalulo yung bansa natin. This has to stop. This is the reason why we have this hearing, to shed light and to stop the fake news na nakaka-apekto na sa sovereignty ng ating bansa, Mr. Chair. Also, nakakabagabag kanina yung presentation ni Commodore Tariela na hindi lang pala West Philippine Sea, na nagduduktong-duktong din to dun sa Pogo. Na dinidepensahan pa nila, na naduduktong pa doon kay Alice Guo, na allegedly, na spy, na, ang narrative nila all about pro-China So, Mr. Chair, na again, kay Commodore Tariela, kung hindi naman kalabisan sa inyo, please give this committee a copy of all the information that has been gathered by, on your side, sa Philippine Coast Guard, and we will try to dig deeper and find out who these people are and put a stop to it. It will also give guidance to us on the laws that we will be making to determine, Mr. Chair. Ito na nga yung pinag-uusapan last hearing tsaka ngayon With what Congressman Rog was saying earlier, na importante talaga na naka-register yung mga tao sa account ng mga social media Anyone can simply make an account, gagawa ng false claims, kung ano-ano, tapos ini-influence yung mga Pilipino. But I do believe Filipinos are very smart at walang Pilipinong tunay na magkakalulo. Ang hindi ko maintindihan, kung meron man, ano bang reason nila? Is it political? Or is it because of monetary gains? But there should be no Filipino na dapat ipagpapalit mo yung bansa mo para sa mga idol nyong politiko o para lamang sa pera, kapalit ang sovereignty at security ng ating bansa. This has to stop. So again, Mr. Chair, may I manifest that we really have to find out who these people are. We will not stop. The committee will not stop. And again, ako lang, simple manifestation, Mr. Chair. To Filipino vloggers, minsan nakikarried away tayo sa mga nababasa natin o napapanood. Last hearing, tinanong ko yung mga vloggers natin. Sinabi naman nila na walang naniniwala sa kanila na ang Palawan parte ng China. Yun na pinapakalat online Ako yayayain ko lang yung ibang vloggers natin, I know masipag kayo mag-post o gumawa ng iba't ibang content. Why not do a content that will protect our country? Why not do a content, meron kayong mga following meron kayong mga taong naniniwala sa inyo. Isn't it prudent enough for a Filipino na kung gagawa ka na lang ng content mo, it's to fight for our country. Sometimes nalulungkot ako kay Commodore Tariela, tinitira pa ng ibang tao na tuta daw ng Amerika. Tapos yung Amerika, minsan tinitira na yun daw may gusto ng gulo. No. Let's try to dig deep. Sino ba nang gugulo sa Pilipinas? Sino ba ang pumapasok? Sino ba ang agresor? Mr. Chair, enough is enough. Kami sa Tondo, mga batang Tondo, hindi kami papayag sa mga taong ganyan. So, Mr. Chair, again, I appeal, sana sa mga kaibigan nating vloggers, if you are true Filipinos, let's all work together. O i-prove natin na maka-Pilipino tayo at makabansa tayong Pilipinas. Labanan natin ang negative news ng China, and let's stand for our country. One flag, one country, and one Filipino. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Honorable Panday, Pamante.
gusto ko lang pong tanungin si Commodore Tariela kung sino yung mga vloggers niya. Can you identify those vloggers now? Isa lang ba o meron pang iba? Can you identify them?
Well, Mr. Chair, I cannot attribute it to the person, but what I can quote are the name of their handle account, social media handles. I cannot attribute it to a person, but I can attribute it to a social media account.
So, ano mong ibig sabihin?
Because as I said, Mr. Chair, hindi naman natin alam kung sila talaga yung may-ari na account, but alam ko na yung pangalan na account. Like for example, si Mr. Rugando Sasot. We don't know whether it is really him who is managing his social media account. The same thing with Ana Malindog Uy or Ado Paglinawan. Those names are known to be writing about pro-China narrative.
Well, Mr. Chair, why, Commodore, why don't we ask the NBI or the DICT to identify? Why? Why don't we ask them? Now, you keep on telling us about these things, and you're not telling us who the people are. So why don't you ask the NBI or the ICT to identify those people who they are? Because they can be identified. Oh, it's up to you because you're the one being bashed in this case. Perhaps even your statement here can even be treasonous. Why? Because these are Filipinos who are actually siding with China. Oh, saying things that are against our own sovereignty. So, Mr. Chair, I would like to ask to Commodore Tayela to ask the NBI and the ICT to finally identify these people. And if you do that, Mr. Chair, we're going to invite them here so they could be able to shed light to what they're saying. And also, let them realize that this committee is now crafting a bill that will regulate these things. Akala ba ng mga vloggers natin, malilibre sila lahat sa mga bagay na yan? No. There should be certain regulations on this, Mr. Chair. Do you know why? Because freedom of expression is not absolute.
Are there any further questions with regards to this issue from the members?
Mr. Chair, I would like to ask Commodore Tayela if he's willing to ask the NBI and or DICT or the Department of Justice to finally identify these people.
Yes, Mr. Chair, on the part of my office, I will be forwarding the report and the post of those known social media influencers that we have identified that are countering the factual narrative of the Philippine government when it comes to the West Philippine Sea.
I believe we have the presence of the NBI resource persons. Andito po bang NBI? Ano mo nga yung anong pwedeng gawin dun?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Good afternoon to the members of our Congress. Actually, Mr. Chair, some of the personalities which was mentioned during the lecture of Commodore were already verified by our office. So, ang pagkakaintindi ko po kasi, during his explanation is that he cannot attribute yung mga accounts doon sa real identity ng mga may-ari. And we can provide some, but for those other accounts po, totally dummy account po siya. and we cannot identify kung sino yung mga ano po niya, totoong nagmamayari. But for some of the accounts that were mentioned, there are real names and identities that were already identified by the NBI, and we could furnish this committee of those identities. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
I suggest, Commodore, you coordinate with the NBI na lang regarding this
Yes,
matter.
Mr. Chair.
Are there any further questions regarding this issue?
Mr. Chair,
Yes.